Okay, fourth graders, starting this week, you are going to be required to do a paragraph of the week. It's going to be 1 day of writing, and all you will be responsible for is just writing a paragraph based off of a question. But it is crucial that you read directions and listen to these videos because I am noticing that many of us are doing work without having read or watched the videos explaining what to do. You may be required to redo the assignment if you just did not follow the directions. Like I said in our Google chat on Wednesday, I may not be grading each problem or looking for, exact specific details, but if there is something in the directions that you are not doing that was explicitly either said by me in the video or written down and you don't follow them, you will be required to make it up. So please, just like we were in the classroom, listen to the directions by me making this video for you and read all your directions, which are typed on the screen. And before you click turn in, make sure you have heard the directions and read the directions and that you have followed them to the best of your ability. So today we are going to be starting with a paragraph of the week. So you see paragraph of the week, Tuesday, April 14th. Here are some written directions. You will be required to write one paragraph a week by answering a question. I am looking for 5 to 7 fourth grade sentences, and you know the expectations there are fourth grade rockstar sentences that you can access through Google in your Google Docs. I think it's probably under your shared with me. So I'm looking for those fourth grade sentences, proper capitalization, grammar, and sentence structure. Okay? So here is your paragraph of the week and your question. If you could go anywhere in the world, where would it be and why? Boys and girls, it's going to be very easy to tell me in 1 or 2 words, where would you go? That's not going to be a paragraph. The and why is going to be where the majority of your paragraph comes from. So, if you could go anywhere in the world, where would it be and why? Here's some further explanation, some further directions. Write a paragraph explaining your thoughts. If you want, you can create a new Google Doc and share it with me. Okay? You can share a Google Doc with me. I'll be looking that it says paragraph of the week and your name. Okay? I am not including your Google Doc for this. You know how to create a new Google Doc and you know how to share it with me. If you don't know how to do that, you can just answer the question on the next slide. So here are paragraph of the week. Here's where you would please erase where it says your response. But you could write your response here. And I gave you 2 extra slides if you need it to finish your paragraph. Okay? Now, for both the slides here where it says paragraph of the week where you're going to type your response, and if you type your response on a Google Doc, you will need to reference this question. If you could go anywhere in the world, where would it be and why? So please don't X out of this. Make sure you have this slide open so you can reference back to the question that you are answering. Okay? This is going to be due today, Tuesday, April 14th. All right? So I should either see it on your slides that I've included for you, or I should get a Google Doc shared with me by the end of the day with your paragraph. Again, friends, I am including this video to explain the directions, and they are written out very specifically for you. Please, before you turn in, ask yourself, do I have 5 to 7 fourth grade sentences? If you do not, you should not turn it in until you do. Do you have proper capitalization, grammar, and sentence structure? If you do not turn it in until you do. As always, Mom and Dad are probably there at some point tonight. If you want them to check your work, have them check your work. Don't have them fix it for you, but if they say, oh, Jess, you are missing a capitalization in your second sentence, you need to find that. Okay? So, you have your paragraph of the week for Tuesday, April 14th. It is due by the end of the day. Please watch this video, read your directions, and only turn in your Google Doc or only turn in at the end of the day of your slides if you have followed all the directions. I know you can do it, and I can't wait to read about where you would all go anywhere in the world and why you would choose that place. All right, happy writing.